Yeah.
What's up, guys? Okay, quick video. How to fold a hoodie. There is a way to fold a hoodie that will, number one, fit in the smallest, tightest space possible. Some people can even still ship USPS first class depending on the size of the hoodie. And the thing is this method will keep it compact enough that it'll make it through the scanners. But also, if you have a large package and you have to fit a bunch of hoodies in a package, this method is the most compact way. All right, so we're gonna take the hoodie, right? This thing here is a t-shirt folder. There's a link in the description. They're about 10 bucks on Amazon. It's just a good guide. They like fold over and flip. You can use it, but you do not need it. First things first, lay the hoodie down with the image facing on the table, okay? Just like that. You're gonna put the arms out, and then you're gonna crisscross applesauce. You're gonna take the first side, fold it across, lay it, just like that. Second side, fold it across, match it up, lay it just like that. When they open it, the presentation is phenomenal. I can't tell you how many comments and questions we get about, how'd you fold the hoodie? So here's the video. Crisscross applesauce, step 3. Take the bottom of the hoodie and bring it up to the bottom of the crisscross applesauce. See how it's looking pretty nice, right? Now, the finishing touch. You're gonna take one side and fold it to the center of the hoodie, okay? And then you're gonna take the next side and fold it over the top, just like that. Do you see what you got here? Now, you're gonna take the bottom, you're gonna fold it up to the bottom of the hoodie. See how it's square? And here's the cool step. Now, you're going to take the hood. See the hood? Because you faced the hoodie down originally, you're gonna take the hood and you're going to flip the hood over the entire package. And what is happening is the hoodie has become its own pouch. You see that? And then last, you pull the strings, tie a little bow, and I'll tell you the benefits. Number one, the size is exposed. Number two, the image is protected. Number three, it's compact. This is an XL hoodie, and the size ends up being about 10 inches wide by 10 inches tall in a cube. Then you take a t-shirt mailer in the description. Well, first we got to put our little thank you for your business sticker, and we put a little sticker right there. Now you gently fold the hoodie just so you can get a hold of it, feed it into the bag. I spin the bag so that the folds are facing away from the opening, and then you just walk it in there. Okay? See how we're doing? Look at that. It's a perfect fit. Flip it over. Take it off. And now you just push down as you roll the hoodie over. Smush any air out. Take your thank you for your purchase. And now what we have here is a sealed for seller protection. If this seal, and you can't get the sticker off, if this seal is broken, the garment has essentially been opened. But look at the presentation. In a package, thank you for your business, folded up with a bow. There's the size and the brand. The back is sealed with a nice thank you for your business sticker. All of this stuff is available through Amazon. Comment in the description if you have specific questions about the size of the cellophane. The cellophane wrap is approximately, let's give you the exact dimensions here. The cellophane wrap is 11 inches wide by 14 inches tall. 11 by 14. We use this cellophane for t-shirts. There's another video that I'll share about how to get the t-shirts in there so that they fit perfectly in the bag. The thing to mention is this, and this is why we folded it this way. you'll notice it is the width of the bag. This is why I wanted to show this to you. So now you say, for example, you've put your label on the bag and it's time to ship it out. So what you do again is you give a gentle bend, smush all the air out, give a gentle bend so you can walk it into the bag, tuck it, walk it in, stick your hand in, flatten it out, and now there is your package. You have a label here that you put on it as well, and there's your package delivered. That is pretty cool. And this, in many cases, will make it through USPS regular mail, or if you have to fit multiple, you can, after it's wrapped, roll it in a ball even, and you can fit 3 of these giant hoodies in one of these express bags. Believe it or not, 3 of these will fit in one priority bag. $7 and some change for 3 hoodies delivered. So there it is, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind, please. And thanks for watching.